Hi everyone, welcome to La Cosedora Nail Art. I'm Lady and today we will be doing a butterfly design using layered stamping plates. So let's do it! Here I'm showing you our spring stamping plate called Beauty in Bloom, where you can see this layered butterfly that we will be doing today in this video. So we are going to start with the first step, which is the design background. The steps are guided by little arrows. And this is the base of our butterfly. It's very important that you use high coverage polish for this step. I use white because it combines with everything. The second step are the details. Remember to clean the excess of your stamper if you don't want to have mistakes like this. And the last step is the outline of the design. Thanks to this clear stamper, I can see exactly where I have to stamp the contour. And that's all. It's very easy and the result is perfect. Tell me in comments if you like these layer designs. If you want to get them, visit our Amazon store, link in the description below. See you the next time. Bye!